Hello friends! Welcome to all those who are connected to my channel. Today I have brought you a new video again, best tires for Honda CR-V, which is discussed in detail in this video, and I hope watch this video from beginning to end. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Falken Wildpeak All-Terrain Light Truck Tire. The Falken Wildpeak T-Trail 225/60 R1799H All-Terrain Light Truck Tire is a versatile and reliable choice for drivers who want both on-road comfort and off-road capability. Designed with advanced engineering and durable materials, this tire delivers excellent performance in a wide range of driving conditions, making it a smart investment for everyday use and adventure trips alike. One of the standout qualities of this tire is its all-terrain capability. It is specifically designed to handle both smooth highways and rough terrains with ease. Whether you're driving on wet roads, gravel paths, or light off-road trails, the tire provides strong traction and stability. This makes it ideal for drivers who need flexibility in their daily driving experience. Another impressive feature is its durability. The Falken Wildpeak T-Trail tire is built with a rugged tread design and high-quality rubber compound that resists wear and tear. This ensures a longer lifespan compared to many standard tires, saving you money in the long run. Its reinforced construction also helps improve handling and control, giving you confidence behind the wheel. Comfort and noise reduction are also key advantages of this tire. Despite its all-terrain design, it offers a smooth and quiet ride on paved roads. This balance between performance and comfort makes it suitable for both city driving and long-distance travel. In addition, the tire performs well in different weather conditions. It provides reliable grip on wet surfaces and maintains stability in light snow, enhancing overall driving safety. This all-season capability adds to its practicality and value. Considering its performance, durability, and versatility, this tire is very economical in terms of price. It offers excellent value for money, combining premium features at a reasonable cost. Overall, the Falken Wildpeak T-Trail tire is a dependable, high-quality, and cost-effective option. If you are looking for a tire that meets your needs without compromising performance, this product is definitely worth considering, and your money will not be wasted. Number 2. Cooper Endeavor Plus All-Season Tire. The Cooper Endeavor Plus All-Season 225/65 R17102H tire is a practical and budget-friendly choice for drivers who want a balance of comfort, durability, and everyday performance. Designed for passenger vehicles and SUVs, this tire focuses on delivering reliable all-season driving while keeping costs reasonable. One of the main advantages of this tire is its all-season capability. It performs well on dry and wet roads, providing stable handling and consistent traction. Many drivers appreciate its smooth and quiet ride, making it a comfortable option for daily commuting and long highway trips. According to user discussions, the tire offers good wet traction and low noise, which are important factors for everyday driving comfort. Durability is another positive aspect of the Cooper Endeavor Plus. Built with a solid tread design, it is intended to provide a long service life under normal driving conditions. For drivers looking for a dependable tire without spending too much, this model offers a good balance between performance and longevity. In fact, some users consider Cooper tires to be a strong, mid-range brand that delivers good value for money. In terms of affordability, this tire stands out as a very economical option. It is priced competitively compared to many premium brands, making it attractive for budget-conscious buyers. If you are looking for a cost-effective tire that still delivers decent performance, this product can meet your needs. However, like most all-season tires, it has some limitations. Community feedback suggests that while it performs well in dry, wet, and light snow conditions, it may not be the best choice for extreme winter environments or icy roads. This is something to consider depending on your driving conditions. Overall, the Cooper Endeavor Plus All-Season tire is a reliable, comfortable, and budget-friendly option. If you want a practical tire that offers good everyday performance without a high price tag, this product is definitely worth considering, and your money will not be wasted. Number 3. Continental ExtremeContact All-Season Tire. The Continental ExtremeContact DWS06 Plus UHP All-Season 245/40ZR1897Y XL passenger tire is a premium quality tire designed for drivers who demand performance, safety, and comfort in all weather conditions. With advanced technology and strong engineering, this tire stands out as a reliable and high-value option for everyday driving as well as sporty performance. One of the most impressive qualities of this tire is its ultra-high-performance all-season capability. It delivers excellent grip on dry, wet, and even light, snowy roads, making it suitable for year-round use. Thanks to its advanced tread design and silica-enhanced compound, the tire provides strong traction and reduces the risk of hydroplaning in wet conditions. This ensures safer driving even during sudden braking or heavy rain. Another key advantage is its outstanding handling and control. The tire features Continental Sport Plus technology, which improves steering response and cornering stability. Whether you are driving on highways or taking sharp turns, it offers a confident and smooth driving experience. The wide shoulder blocks and continuous center rib enhance road contact, giving better control at high speeds. Durability is also a major strength of this product. With a treadwear warranty of up to 50,000 miles, it is built for long-lasting performance. The strong construction and high-quality materials ensure that the tire resists wear and maintains performance over time, making it a smart long-term investment. Comfort and noise reduction are additional benefits. Despite being a performance tire, it offers a quiet and comfortable ride, which is ideal for daily commuting and long trips. Its design helps absorb road vibrations, improving overall driving comfort. Considering its premium features, this tire is very economical in terms of value. It combines performance, durability, and safety in one package, making it worth every penny. Overall, the Continental ExtremeContact DWS06 Plus is a dependable, high-quality, and cost-effective tire. If you are looking for a tire that meets all your driving needs, this amazing product is definitely for you, and your money will not be wasted. Number 4. Bridgestone Dueler H/P Sport AS Performance SUV Tire. The Bridgestone Dueler H/P Sport AS Performance SUV Tire 225/65R17102T is a well-balanced and dependable tire designed for SUV and crossover drivers who want comfort, durability, and reliable all-season performance. With advanced engineering and a focus on highway driving, this tire delivers a smooth and confident experience on the road. One of the key strengths of this tire is its excellent all-season performance. It performs reliably on both dry and wet roads, thanks to its advanced tread design and high-quality rubber compound. The wide circumferential grooves efficiently channel water away from the tire surface, helping to reduce the risk of hydroplaning and improving wet traction. This makes it a safe option for daily driving in different weather conditions. Another important advantage is its handling and stability. The tire features a high-stiffness tread and optimized shoulder blocks, which enhance steering response and provide better control at higher speeds. Whether you are driving on highways or navigating city roads, you will experience stable and predictable handling. Durability is also a major highlight of this tire. Built with strong materials and a robust construction, it offers long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. It is backed by a tread life of around 40,000 miles, making it a practical choice for long-term use. This durability ensures that you get good value over time without frequent replacements. Comfort and efficiency are additional benefits. The tire is designed to provide a smooth and relatively quiet ride, making long journeys more enjoyable. Its low rolling resistance also helps improve fuel efficiency, which can save money over time. Considering its performance, durability, and comfort, this tire is very economical in terms of value. It combines premium features with a reasonable price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers. Overall, the Bridgestone Dueler H/P Sport AS is a reliable, high-quality, and cost-effective tire. If you are looking for a tire that meets your everyday driving needs with comfort and safety, this product is definitely worth considering, and your money will not be wasted. Number 4. Michelin Cross Climate 2 All-Season Car Tire. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 All-Season Tire 225/50R1895H is a premium quality tire designed to deliver outstanding performance, safety, and durability throughout the year. Built with advanced technology and innovative design, this tire is ideal for drivers who want a reliable all-season solution without compromising on performance. One of the most impressive qualities of this tire is its exceptional all-season capability. It performs excellently on dry, wet, and even snowy roads, making it a true year-round performer. The tire features a unique directional V-shaped tread design that enhances grip and traction in different weather conditions. It is also certified with the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake rating, meaning it provides strong performance even in winter conditions. Another key advantage is its superior braking performance. This tire is engineered to stop shorter on both dry and wet roads compared to many competitors, improving overall driving safety. Whether you are driving in heavy rain or on dry highways, it ensures better control and confidence behind the wheel. Durability is also a major highlight of the Michelin Cross Climate 2. It is designed to last longer than many other all-season tires, offering up to 15,000 extra miles of tread life. This extended lifespan makes it a cost-effective choice in the long run, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Comfort is another area where this tire excels. It uses advanced noise reduction technology to provide a smooth and quiet ride. Even at higher speeds, the tire minimizes road noise and vibrations, making long drives more enjoyable. Considering its performance, durability, and comfort, this tire is very economical in terms of value. Although it may seem like a premium product, the features and long lifespan justify the price. Overall, the Michelin Cross Climate 2 is a dependable, high-quality, and well-balanced tire. If you are looking for a product that meets all your driving needs with safety and performance, this amazing tire is definitely for you, and your money will not be wasted.